Assalamu alaikum grade 3. I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher with the lecture of Oxford Progressive English and English Grammar. So open your books of English Oxford page number 82. Unit number 16, lesson number 4, sentences not much and not many. When we talk about much and more, we can say that we use much for uncountable nouns and many for countable nouns. Uncountable nouns mean the nouns which we cannot count, for example, love, hate, and honesty. On the other hand, when we talk about a countable noun, it means a noun which we can count, for example, apple, people, and origins, and so on. Let's read. Number 1, make sentences using the correct words. I have already told you that many for countable nouns and much for uncountable nouns. By following this video, you can complete your number 1. Number 2, think of answers to the questions. Use not much or not many and the words in brackets to answer the questions. 2 friends are in the library. Why does your sister often look sad? Answer, because she does not have many friends. And by following this video, you can complete your answer questions. Number 3, make sentences for the pictures with not much or not many. Number 1, she has not bought much fruit. Number 2, they have not caught many fish. Number 3, he has not cut down many trees. Open page number 83 of English Oxford. Unit number 16, lesson number 5, reading The Very Big Banknote. Read the story and answer the questions. Number 1, why was the shopkeeper surprised? Because the customer wants to pay bill through a very big banknote. Number 2, why didn't the customer pay for his suit? Answer, because he has banknote. You have to complete the blanks in this chapter by following this video. Number 2, mark these sentences true or false. By reading this story, you can solve these answer question in true false, and by following this video you can solve this question or you can complete your true and false. Now this is the lecture of English grammar. So open your books of English grammar, page number 55. Chapter number 19, punctuation. When we talk about punctuation, we can say that it includes the grammatical rules that are very important for the construction of a sentence. For example, the rules of capital letter, commas, full stop, and inverted commas. Let's read. Read the following sentences. I eat porridge at breakfast. Telling sentence. Did you eat your breakfast today? Asking sentence. Important note. Commas are used to separate word of the same kind. We use and before the last word in the list instead of comma. For example, I bought eggs, bread, butter, milk and some fruit for breakfast. You have already learned that all sentences begin with a capital letter. Telling sentence end with a full stop. Asking sentence end with a question mark. When we ask a question, we write question mark at the end of the sentence, and when we answer a question we put full stop at the end of the question. By following the rules of punctuation and grammar, you can complete your this work, and this video will help you to complete your work of English grammar and English Oxford. We know that when we write or use proper nouns, especially when we write proper nouns, the first letter of the proper nouns is capital. That is why here Nile, the word Nile, N is capital, and the Thames is a river. That is why the T is capital. Mississippi, M is capital. A comma is also used when we talk to someone and use his her name. We can say that after name we use comma. For example, Tony, could you please help me lift this box? Practice A. Copy these sentences in your notebook. The writer forget to put commas. Insert commas where necessary. We already know that after names we put we put comma. Here Tom is name and Charlie is also name. That is why we put commas after these names. By following this video you can complete your work. B. Read the following sentences. Some punctuation marks have been left out. Identify the places where the punctuation mark have been left out and complete them. Put full stop at the last of the first sentence. Put comma after Peter. By following this video you can complete your work of practice A, B and C. We already know that when we start our sentence, first of all we write the first letter in capital form. That is why I have write first letter capital, which W is capital. Here which W is also capital, and here W is also capital. Extended exercise. By following this video you can complete your work of English grammar and English Oxford. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.